Hey guys, it's John, and this weekend we're gonna hike the Knobstone Trail. Now I'm at the Deam Lake rec area. Pretty good camping, nice campsite. I'm gonna have about a 1.7 mile hike to the trailhead. There's no turning back now, so let's go. A 40-minute hike from the campgrounds. We're here at the Deam Lake trailhead of Knobstone Trail. Mile number 0. Because when you come in through the gate, it's just to the right. You need a park pass, you need to pay the fee to get in. And there's no camping within the first 2 miles of the Knobstone from Deam Lake. But after that, you're good to go. We're at mile 2. So far I saw a deer, a spider, and I think I heard another deer go crazy. But it sounded like a goat too. I didn't see it. Other than that, it's been a nice, peaceful hike with a million spider webs. Okay, so we just came from this way, and it says clearly no camping beyond this point, even though it's only 2 campsites. I'm probably about I'm almost 3 miles in. There is a mile marker that says if you're lost, you are here. Call Indiana Department of Natural Resources Law Enforcement. Trail intersection marker. But we're not lost because that's the KT. All right, mile 3, and as you can tell, I'm ready for a break. Total, we've done 4.7 miles if we start from the campsite, so it is buggy, but here we are, knocking down the spider webs all the way to mile number 4. Just 2 steps away from mile number 4, mile marker 4, is the first campsite I have seen since we were allowed. So, note to self, campsite mile marker 4, Knobstone Trail. Mile marker 6. So between 5 and 6, couple really big hills. All right, mile marker 7. Moving on. Hey, guy. Well, that's it for me. I'm done. Just tired. Kind of dehydrated a little bit. And I don't have enough water. So I'm at the Pixley Knob Trailhead. Called in a ride. Thanks for watching. See you next time.